Let's get this final match of the day started in 3, 2, 1, go!
All 6 robots moving for our final autonomous here at the St. Louis Regional Day 1. Team 6744, that's Melville RC, lining up near their Coral Station. Not quite able to get it. Team Rush, though, looking to score a Coral on high. That high L4 rung worth 5 points, at least 7 if it's determined to have been scored during the autonomous period. They've now gotten a second for that 5 points here in Teleop. 50-60 Ignite, lining up with a Coral on their manipulator, going to L3, dropping it off for 4 points. Their alliance partner, 3397, that's Robo Lions, whizzing around near that algae on that side of the reef. They look to be pulling it off for the Blue Alliance and freeing up those spaces, which they will. It falls to the floor and clears up some new coral branches. Looking over to this Red Alliance side of the field, 6744, that's Melville RC. They're whizzing around on that side of the field, looking to possibly work on some scoring for the Alliance as they go back and forth near the reef between the barge zone and near that Coral Station. 10-3-22 Beyond the Bell also working on some scoring, cycling Coral from the Coral Station over to that L1 where they can look to drop it off for 2 points apiece, though they have some trouble with them bouncing off, which could create issues for their scoring. 80-77 Dream over by that blue barge zone for the Red Alliance. They're lined up near a piece of algae that is on the ground right now. They're kind of pushing it against the wall, possibly trying to manipulate it as time keeps moving. 48 seconds to go at this point, 66-15 for both those alliances, advantage to blue. 27 Team Rush still working on building up their score, trying to get a Coral onto L2 if they can get it, dropping it off. That should be their 5th on that level if they can drop it off. Now cycling some L1 scores as they look to build up their score and get that Coral RP if they can. With that ping, we enter the end game. Already we see 3 teams lining up in that red barge zone for some parks. Team Rush moving into lineup with their own deep cage and get off the ground with 2 other blue parks as the buzzer sounds and our qualification matches of day 1 draw to a close. Blue Alliance with a score of 113-23. Blue Alliance taking home 5 ranking points. Team Rush cementing their spot as the rank 2 for now. Robo Alliance rising